So the project is just created and your new project is ready. Click continue, and as you can see now, we're ready to rock and roll here. And as we'll see in a few minutes, this allows us the chance to add the Firebase web application, or software development kit if you like, to a web page, and basically does all the connections for us. But we're going to navigate down here on the left hand side to real-time database, and when we do that, we will get in here to create our database, and we're going to get some options coming up here now. So the United States, I'm just going to keep it as United States. We're going to do it in test mode here. Now, one of the reasons we do it in test mode, well, if you do it in lock mode, your data will become private, but you may end up having to pay for it or a few things like that. So just for the purposes of Leaving Cert Computer Science, we're going to do it in test mode because it's free. However, you need to be careful that it's unsafe, and anybody can read and write to it. So no, don't put in any personal details or anything like that. It's only for the purposes of completing your project only. So once we have that, we go enable, and you may need to update those rules within 30 days. You should get a few emails telling you that. So once we've got that done, there's one very important step we must do, and we'll see that in the next video.